This video will walk you step by step through the process of setting up your drill rifle for exhibition drill. We will be demonstrating these steps using a Glendale Parade Store Drill America 1903 drill rifle, though the same process can be applied using any drill rifle.
First, gather all the tools and spare parts you'll need. For our setup today, we're going to be using Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, with a hammer and punch, in addition to electrical tape and fiber reinforced strapping tape, but packing tape can serve the same purpose. Placing your tools and rifle parts on a towel will help prevent you from misplacing equipment or losing parts during assembly.
Next, we're going to remove the front sight blade from the barrel of the rifle. This part serves no purpose during exhibition drill, and its edge can become a hazard when spinning the rifle at high speeds. The sight is held to the barrel using a small dowel pin. Using a punch or other small tool, carefully tap this pin out of the rifle using a hammer. Then, remove the front sight blade using the assistance of a hammer if necessary. Place the pin and sight on the towel for safekeeping.
Now we'll remove the stacking swivel. The purpose of the stacking swivel is to execute stack arms, which is not a component of exhibition drill. Take your screwdriver or Allen wrench and loosen the screw holding together the upper band. Set the stacking swivel aside and retighten the screw until the band is holding the upper handguard and stock together.
The next step in preparing the rifle is to reinforce a common stress point by using fiber reinforced strapping or packaging tape. This tape can be found at hardware stores in various diameters. Cut a small strip of tape long enough to wrap around the stock several times. Place the tape directly over the front receiver screw and wrap it around the stock tightly to secure the screw during drill. Notice that this tape is placed such that the sling is still loosened from the rifle. You may choose to cover the tape with a layer of black or colored electrical tape for aesthetic reasons.
Removal of the rear sight is a very important step in creating an exhibition-safe drill rifle. Luckily, it's also very easy to remove. Simply take your Allen wrenches or screwdriver, remove both screws holding the rear sight to the bolt, and remove the part. For the sake of safety, this step is extremely important and should not be overlooked.
The last major hardware alteration to your drill rifle should be to remove the metal butt plate and replace it with a rubber one. The rubber butt plate not only minimizes damage to surfaces, such as tile and wood flooring, but also ensures the durability of your drill rifle by absorbing the shock of the butt plate striking the drill surface. There are two screws holding the butt plate in place. Remove these screws and set them aside. Replace the metal butt plate with the rubber butt plate and replace the screws to ensure that this piece is secured to the rifle. Though some drillers may prefer the sound of a metal butt plate, a rubber one is exponentially safer and more durable, especially during drill practice.
Now we'll secure the sling to the rifle. While some prefer to leave their slings loose for exhibition drill purposes, it's safer overall to tape your sling to prevent your hands from getting caught during the rifle's rotation. Taking your black electrical tape, run a strip so it wraps around both the sling and balance of the weapon. This will secure the bulk of the sling, but we're not finished yet. Apply another strip just below the front sling swivel. This will ensure the sling will not detach in the event the front sling swivel comes undone.
When you have finished your modifications, it's helpful to place your spare parts together in a bag or other storage device should you need to reassemble your rifle in the future. This is especially important for junior ROTC-owned rifles, which may need to be accounted for. Be sure to clean your work area and double check for any screws or parts that may have gotten loose or fallen off the work surface. Your drill rifle is now prepared for exhibition drill. We've removed and replaced the metal butt plate, removed the dangerous rear sight, secured the front receiver screw, and applied tape to our key contact points to ensure the sling remains tight to the rifle even during a hardware failure. We've also removed the stacking swivel and the front sight. Remember, be safe and train smart.